Greetings everyone. I want you to imagine complete silence. Not the ordinary kind that fills a quiet forest, but a silence that lasted for over 10,000 years. And then, one night, deep inside a high-security wildlife facility in the United States, that silence was broken. It came from a creature that should not exist anymore, and no, this is not the plot of a science fiction movie or leaked footage from Area 251. This is our reality. That sound came from Romulus and Remus, the first dire wolves resurrected through the frontier signs of the extinction. On October 1st, 2024, the biotechnology company Colossal Biosciences announced something that for centuries belonged only to myth and imagination, the revival of a prehistorical predator. The company's co-founder, George Church, one of Harvard's most visionary genetics and a pioneer of the Human Genome Project with his team, harnessing CRISPR-Cas9, a revolution gen editing tool. Yet what Colossal achieved is not the resurrection of a pure dire wolf. True cloning requires intact nuclei, but for long-extinct species, only fragments of degraded DNA remain. Instead, scientists identified and reconstructed 12 crucial modifications across 14 genes, responsible for traits such as jaw shape, fur thickness, and immune system resilience. Time magazine called it a symphony of science and ambition, but the achievement also ignited a fierce of debate. Bringing back the extinct species could disrupt ecosystems that evolved for millennia, yet others argue that it could also transform conservation genetics. To me, this project is more than just a technology milestone. It's a reflection of accelerating evolution of human capability. Each new discovery expands not only our scientific horizons, but also the ethical weight of our decision. And here in Ukraine, that ethical question becomes deeply personal. While laboratories across the world are resurrecting echoes of the past, we're still struggling to protect what remains of our living present. According to the Worldwide Fund for Nature, nearly 30% of Ukraine's protected natural territories were affected by military activity. So, as we stand at the intersection of innovation and extinction, we must ask ourselves, what should humanity prioritize? Should we devote our resources to bringing back creatures from the prehistorical past, or should we fight to protect the fragile life that is still clinging to the present? When Romulus and Remus howled for the first time, it wasn't merely the echo of an ancient predator. It was a call sent into the dark, waiting for us to answer. Will humanity learn to protect before it resurrects? Science gives us the power to rewrite life itself, but it's wisdom and empathy that decide what kind of world we will bring back to life. Thank you.